Hi guys, how have you all been? I have been away. I am back, guys. I was on a break. I can't give you something that I do not have, but now I am definitely sure that I have something to show you. I have more tutorial. I am more accurate. I am more present. Let's jump right into the video. My moisturizer from Snail Advanced. N55. I just used the two pumps. The rule is do not apply too much foundation on your face for a belief that it is going to cover your face. If the foundation is nice and good enough, it is going to work perfect with just few pumps. So the rule is for a soft makeup, we're going with two pumps only, and you're going to add if you see like the coverage is not enough on some areas of your face. To blend my foundation, I first go in with a foundation brush. It works perfect. As you can see, it has soft hair for the blending of foundation. As you see, my foundation is already on. The next step we are going to be the concealer. I have three concealers with me here. This is like having the yellowish tone. This is from the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I have the two concealers with me also. They definitely do not have a brand name, but they work perfectly. I have in the shade 6 and in the shade 7. I'm going to start with this shade right here. This is shade number 6, and I'm going to use just a few swipes for concealer. Apply here. As you can see, those are already like 3 swipes. I'm going to add the 4th. So we are going to wait and at least have a setting spray or a fixing spray for the better application of your concealer. So I'm going to use this MAC. One is used for prepping the skin, but this one is the best also before you blend in your concealer. Blush colors, I'm going to use this. I'm using a beauty sponge to pick an amount from the product. So this is what I'm going to place here on my cheekbone. I'm doing this before I blend the concealer, and as you can see, this is applied as lightly as possible. Blending the concealers, you have to use these brushes, such style. They're like roundy over here. They blend so well. That face brush from the Real Technique. I hope everything is being captured by the camera right now. I don't know, but this is going to work for that purpose. I'm going to use the same shade from L'Oreal for contouring my face. So I'm going to contour this part here. You can see going rough around. Remember to use the beauty sponge to even out the concealer and the blush. Like, do not leave it to make your face have like harsh lines or whatever. Okay, as you can see, its shade matches my skin. It is brown. I really love this for setting my face. I need to show you how it looks like. So it looks like that. After using a powder to set my face, I'm going to fix it in using the Ulta. For the eyeshadow, I'm going with this Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to pick this shade over here for my eye look today. I just want a very settled look and kind of not shouting, so I'm going to use this with the brown on my lids. Going in with a bronzer, this shade. Remember this brush, I had used it to apply the contour, so I'm going like right here with this shade over here, and I'm going to use it as my blush for today. You see the way I look there. Then I'm going in with the same brush just over here with this lipstick from Flormar, and I'm going to use this Davis Brown lip eye pencil just as my lip liner. So yes, I guess it has a nice brown shade. I prefer this from other brown lip pencils because I guess it has nice pigment that I myself personally want. You can go in with any lip liner of your choice to make a lip combo. So today's lip combo is just brown and this nude pink from Flormar. I'm going to pair this lip combo with a gloss. I'm using a lip gloss from Fit Me. So that's it for the makeup. Last part in this makeup today is going to be highlighter, and I'm going to use this just to elevate the look and to make it look more smooth and light as we wanted. So I'm just going on this part here with a light hand, and I'm going on this part here. This gives the skin look for the makeup, like everything looks like not heavy. It for today, guys. We have created this look. It looks so nice. I feel good. I do not feel like my face is wearing so much makeup. The makeup feels so light and good. We look demure, we look fine. You can tell, right? There are no layers, but you can see the face is well defined. There are light parts, there are hues and whatsoever. So thanks for watching me today. We are going to have more videos about makeup on this channel. Well, I am definitely back. Please stay with me next time. See you.